vitality and excitement and create beautiful memories for us all. You can expect an exuberant event ahead, and the performances will leave you mesmerized. If you want to enjoy the event, please ensure that you do not unmute yourself throughout the show. Keep the atmosphere lively through a high-spirited and encouraging comments in the chat box. यदि आप इस वार्षिक समारोह का आनंद लेना चाहते हैं, विशेष रूप से इस बात को ध्यान में रखें कि समारोह के दौरान आप अपने माइक को अनम्यूट न करें। यदि आप कोई प्रतिक्रिया देना चाहते हैं, तो आप चैट बॉक्स का उपयोग कर सकते हैं।
Henry Wadsworth Longfellow has beautifully said in his poem, The Sun of Life, "Tell me not in mournful numbers, life is but an empty dream. For the soul is dead that slumbers, and things are not what they seem. Life is real, life is earnest, and the grave is not its goal. Thus thou art, to thus returnest," was not spoken of the soul. So don't you all think that why waste time in regret? Rather, live moment by moment, day by day. Do not be anxious for the morrow, lest you live in fear and sorrow. Take some risks, fail you may, but carpe diem, seize the day. With this beautiful thought, I welcome the chief guest, chairman sir, the members of the school management committee, principal ma'am, parents, teachers, and my dear friends to rejoice in the brevity of life as Ram Ratna International School unfolds its 10th annual day.
Toss some confetti in the air and celebrate. It's the 10th annual day of our life. 10 years of togetherness. 10 years of making dreams come true. 10 years of sharing and trust. And tons of unforgettable memories. It is a proud moment for all the members of our family that today we are celebrating the completion of a decade of values in our lives. Yes, you got it right. This annual day is not merely a celebration of events, but the celebration of life. The themes chosen over the 10 years, like Atma Deepo Bhava, compassion, Navras, and many more, were glorified and idolized every moment in our lives, either through small assemblies or events. I hold my head high when I say that these values run in my blood now. जीवन एक उत्सव है। RRIS के परिवार ने नैतिक मूल्यों के साथ झूमकर, गाकर, नृत्य कर इसे जी भर मनाया। आज का वार्षिक समारोह अत्यंत स्वर्णिम है क्योंकि इस वर्ष हम 10वां वार्षिकोत्सव मना रहे हैं और इस वर्ष का हमारा उत्कृष्ट वार्षिक विषय है कार्पे डियम, सीज द मोमेंट। तो आइए आज के इस वार्षिक उत्सव का आनंद लेते हैं।
माँ सरस्वती को विद्या और कला की देवी माना जाता है। आप सभी से निवेदन है कि सरस्वती वंदना के लिए आप अपने स्थान पर हाथ जोड़कर खड़े हो जाएं।
या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला, या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता, या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा, या श्वेत पद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिर् देवैः सदा वन्दिता, सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाड्यापहा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप अपना आसन ग्रहण करें। To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. With this quote, may I invite our respected Vice Principal, Dr. Smita Gandhi ma'am, to introduce the chief guest.
A very warm morning to all of you. Namaste. What an exciting day. The enthusiasm of the celebration of the 10th annual day is very much palpable. Yes, we are here today to not only celebrate 10th annual day, but also to celebrate 10 years of togetherness, 10 years of this huge success. What a journey it has been. And in what better way we can celebrate this great day than having that person as the chief guest of the day who had laid the foundation of this magnificent vision? Yes, you are right. We have amongst us the chief guest, the founder principal of RRIS, an educationist par excellence, a warm and a compassionate human being, a dynamic leader, Miss Inderjit Kaur ma'am. Let's all welcome her with a big round of applause. Ma'am is an educationist with nearly 4 decades of experience in education and has played multifaceted roles in various boards across India, including those of a teacher, administrator, career counselor, curriculum designer, etc. etc. She is an industry expert who has mastery in setting up schools, which have proven to be an example for other educational institutions in India and abroad because of her unique methodologies, child psychology, and her intensive research across various curricula. She also specializes in developing multi-layered curriculum based on multiple intelligences. Ma'am has worked in Japan as the principal for 2 years and has laid some best practices there, like setting up a cultural center in the school premises, introducing speech and drama and panel theatre, and many more. Her contributions are commendable, not only in education sector, but her social initiatives are also worth inspiring many. She got nationwide coverage for setting up country's first child rights unit in her school premises in Punjab and ran it successfully. Ma'am has set up an NGO which catered to an old age home for the senior citizens in need and took care of medical needs of destitute in the local civil hospital till their rehabilitation. Taught nearly 300 children from the disadvantaged section of society each year. Her NGO taught them vocational skills besides looking after their academics. She has also contributed immensely in CCA and sports education at the international level. Wow, ma'am, it's really a privilege to have you here. Once again, the RRIS family extends a warm welcome to you. We look forward to spend this exciting morning with you. Wish you all an exciting time ahead. All the best, my dear students. I now request Inderjit ma'am to share some pearls of wisdom with us from her treasure of vast experience.
Thank you so much, Smita. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Dr. Jaya, Chairman Sir. This day, a decade before, a seed was sown in the very famous and fertile grounds of Keshav Srushti by the core management and associated members with a very noble mission. As a result, Ram Ratna International School was born. The erudite members trusted my capabilities, and here I come back to meet you all after a decade as the founder principal of RRIS. It is my privilege and honor for which I am grateful to Principal Dr. Jaya and the management, Chairman Sir, Vice Principal, staff to address the students, parents, and staff members. Your invitation to me as the chief guest of your 10th annual day titled Carpe Diem is a truly rewarding experience. The best reward that any management can offer to its founder principal, the best reward of reliving those very exciting and challenging moments. And truly it was Carpe Diem for me. It filled me with great energy, happiness, a lot of freedom. It built this to build up this great institution break by break with the entire team members and supporters. And I really lived by the day in those days. Being among you all today, looking back at the journey and the milestones covered, I feel we all are blessed. The school has made a niche for itself and is among the best schools of Mumbai and country, providing quality education and shaping the best minds to take the reins of this, their bright future of the students. Finally, a word for all future world leaders, my little friends. Go smiling through the world. Believe in yourself. When you have trust in you yourself, what all you can do, the opinion of others become immaterial. Self-belief is the cornerstone of one's life. The stronger the cornerstone, the stronger the building. Focus on your beliefs to reach your heights. Last but not the least, I congratulate the management, principal, staff, students, and their parents on this momentous day. The school has been successful in instilling noble values in young minds. I convey my best wishes for the final examinations and results to all the students. May you reach greater heights in the years to come. Thank you, Chairman Sir, Dr. Jaya Parekh Ma'am, Vice Principal Ms. Smita Gandhi, and the staff members and lovely students. Thank you very much to all of you and enjoy the day. Thank you.
धन्यवाद महोदया. भवत्याः उद्बोधनम् अस्माकं कृते प्रेरणास्पदं भवति. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद महोदया. आपका मार्गदर्शन हमारे लिए प्रेरणादायी है.
I'm speaking out of turn here, ma'am, but I couldn't resist myself from thanking you for your words of blessings. Everyone knows the way the tree flourishes, grows, it all depends on the quality of the seed that is sown and the love and the care with which it is sown. The credit goes to you for building the right foundation and always being a source of inspiration throughout this decade. My humble pranams to you and seeking your blessings.
Thank you so much, Smita. It is a teamwork.
It's a teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yes, children, please carry forward.
Rightly said by Oprah Winfrey, every day brings a chance for you to draw in a breath, kick off your shoes, and dance. So are you ready to let your soul bask in the glory of Lord Shiva with our first soulful performance of the day by Aryan and Drishna of Graded? So welcome Aryan and Drishna with harmonious claps who are going to take you to the ethereal journey.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जान क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभो हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस्था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। नमो नमो शंकर, भोलेनाथ शंकर, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा।
अद्भुतम 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 एते छात्र छात्राश्च अद्भुतं प्रदर्शनं कृतवन्तः, एतेषां कृते करतलं नादयन्तु।
अतीत की घटरी उतार दे जो तेरा बोझ बढ़ा रही है, वर्तमान का चौगा पहन ले, अभी जिंदगी बाकी है। चलो आज से शुरू करते हैं, चलो आज से जीते हैं, आज को हम जीते हैं, आज को हम जीते हैं।
मैं विद्यालय प्रबंधक के अध्यक्ष माननीय श्री सुनील केजरीवाल जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे अपने विचारों को प्रकट कर उपस्थित श्रोताओं को संबोधित करें।
I think sir needs to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe we can invite sir once he's back and solves the issues at his end. Meanwhile, can we have the next performance, if it's possible? Okay, I think sir is back. So.
Okay. Sorry. I'm not
It's
very
fine, sir. We
conversant.
can hear you. We can hear you.
Yeah.
Well and good, sir.
I'm not very conversant with this, so I need to take help sometimes. Chief guest, Madam Inderjit Kaur, members of School Management Committee, Principal Dr. Jaya Parikh, dear teachers and other staff members, parents, and my dear students. A very warm welcome to the 10th annual day of RRIS. The last 1 year has been phenomenal. It has shaken the world from its slumber and taught all of us a number of lessons. First, we cannot and should not take anything for granted. Situations can change very dramatically, and we have to be always prepared to adjust to new scenarios. Second, we must value everything that we get. During the pandemic, we realized that things we considered very simple and basic were in fact the most precious. Third thing we learned is that we have to stand tough no matter what. The fact that the initial shock, in fact, after the initial shock, once we got our act together and altered our lifestyle, now we are coming back to normalcy. And I'm sure that soon we will emerge even stronger and better off. During this period, there are two things about which I was very happy. First is the response of our teachers, very ably led by our principal, Dr. Jaya Parikh, and very well supported by the admin staff. The way they conducted the online classes was remarkable. It was not at all easy to take care of every child, especially when the children are physically not present before you. But they did it very well, in spite of their own hardships. A very big thank you to all of you. It was also very heartening to hear our ex-students on the Back to Roots events. The poise, confidence, and maturity of the 17, 18, 19-year-old youngsters was truly remarkable. I can easily visualize them into growing up to become very responsible leaders in whatever field they choose to go. On a final note, my advice to my teachers and our parents: focus on the basic character of our children. Once we have inculcated strong values in them and taught them to be able to withstand any situation, they will always come out winners. And that has to be the basis of any education system. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words.
जब हम नृत्य करते हैं तब हम बाकी सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं और बस पूरी तरह से प्रसन्नता का अनुभव करते हैं। इन्हीं पंक्तियों को चरितार्थ करने हेतु जूनियर और नर्सरी केजी के नन्हे मुन्ने छात्र एक ओजपूर्ण नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत कीजिए।
Bounce Patrol! Dance, dance, let's dance. It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, let's dance. It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, let's dance. Everybody's jumping, music is pumping. Everybody's jumping, jump, 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 jump. Step to the left, left, step to the right, right. Here we go, let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's dance, put your dance shoes on, wear your dance party pants. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's dance.
Wave your hands in the air.
Wait, let's dance, dance, dance. March like a marching band. March, march, march. Let's dance, dance, dance. Spin round and round. Spin, spin, spin. Let's dance, 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 dance. Step to the front, front. Step to the back, back. Here we go, let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's dance. Turn the music up, sing along, clap your hands. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's dance.
What a marvelous performance by our little angels. Please give them a big round of applause for this enigmatic performance. Cette citation de Honoré de Balzac. La base de société humaine sera toujours la famille, est vrai. Cette valeur sera présentée par des élèves de senior KG. Dans sa sur Together We Are Family. Accueillons-les avec des applaudissements. Thank you, children. This quote by the famous writer Honoré de Balzac, "The base of human society will always be the family," is true. This value will be highlighted through a heart-capturing performance by the students of senior KG, dancing on the song Together We Are Family. Let us encourage and welcome them with a round of applause.
Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we go, my family and I. We make the snowman come to life. Daddy will dress mother, brothers, sisters, my father and me.
सीनियर केजी के इन प्यारे और नन्हे मुन्ने छात्रों के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। जिंदगी को खुश रहकर पूरी प्रसन्नता से जियो, क्योंकि रोज शाम केवल सूरज ही नहीं ढलता, आपकी अमूल्य जिंदगी का एक अनमोल दिन भी ढल जाता है। हमारी प्यारी सी जिंदगी में ढेर सारा प्यार तथा आनंद लेकर आ रहे हैं। आप सभी जोर से लव यू जिंदगी कहकर कक्षा पहली के छात्रों का स्वागत कीजिए।
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love me जिंदगी।
कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल ले, कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं। मैं थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हूँ, तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
Love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you
That was a stupendous performance by grade 1A students. Give them a huge round of applause. We all are dying with every moment. We all are dying with every moment that passes every day. That is the inescapable truth of this existence. It is a truth that can paralyze us with fear, or one that can energize us with the desire to explore and experience, to find a memory in every action, to be alive under sunshine or starlight, in weather fair or stormy, to dance with every step, be we through gardens of flowers or deep snows. Grade 1B students are ready to depict this spirit in their scintillating performance. So welcome them with raining claps.
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूँ मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा। जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूँ मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून की आग में हारती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा
जग्गा जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा सूरमा माने है जमना एक सूरमा 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 जग्गे दा जोश तूफानी जग्गे नू चढ़ी जवानी ओ जग्गा सुनना किसी की के जग्गा कर मनमानी जग्गा जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जिते
एतेः छात्राः अद्भुतं प्रदर्शनं कृतवन्तः येषाम् उत्साहवर्धनं करतलध्वनिना कुर्वन्तु। हमें भविष्य के सागर में गोता न लगाते हुए वर्तमान के प्रत्येक क्षण का भरपूर आनंद लेना चाहिए। इन्हीं भावों को लिए कक्षा दूसरी के छात्र और छात्राएं एक आनंदवर्धक नर्तन प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं। जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत कीजिए।
What a wonderful performance by our grade 2 students.
Thank you, ma'am.
C'était une belle danse par les étudiants de deuxième année. Gustave Nadeau a dit rester, c'est exister. Voyager, c'est vivre. Les étudiants de troisième année présentent une danse sur यूं ही चल रही. Ça montre que pour découvrir la vie, nous devons voyager. Profitons de la danse. Gustave Nadeau has rightly said, to stay is to exist, to travel is to live. The next performance is by our grade 3 students on the song यूं ही चला चल रही. It emphasizes that to discover life, we must travel. So let us enjoy the dance.
झमेले देख फूलों के
आता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। दिल को है क्यों ये बेताबी, किससे मुलाकात होनी है, जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया। आंसू की नदियां भी हैं, खुशियों की बगियां भी हैं, रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया।
बहुत ही सुंदर। कक्षा तीसरी के छात्रों ने इस संदेशात्मक गीत पर नृत्य प्रस्तुत किया। दर्शकों, क्या आप तालियां नहीं बजाएंगे? जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन बच्चों के लिए। चाहे ये दुनिया कुछ भी कहे, चाहे ये दुनिया कुछ भी कहे, बस यही याद रखना, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा। जिंदगी के हर पल को खुशी से बिताओ, रोने का समय कहाँ, सिर्फ मुस्कुराओ, सिर्फ मुस्कुराओ। इन्हीं मुस्कुराहटों के दरवाजों को खोलने आ रहे हैं कक्षा चौथी के छात्र। तो दर्शकों, खुलकर मुस्कुराते हुए, हंसते हुए आप सभी इनका स्वागत कीजिए।
खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंधी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
That was a charismatic performance by grade 4 students. So what are you waiting for? Give them an enthralling round of applause. These little ones are beautifully depicted that we can achieve anything if we seize the right moments. For instance, we all know that Elon Musk did taste failure many times, but he seized those moments of failure to turn them into success. And today, he's an efficacious personality. If I talk about our country, we have numerous illustrious personalities like Mahatma Gandhi ji and Vivekananda ji, who have enlightened many lives by doing the right thing at the right time. If I talk about the 26/11 terror attack in Mumbai, we never ever cease to sing about the heroic deeds of the police officials, hotel staff of Taj, who didn't fear even once to lay their lives to save people and catch the culprit. In other words, they seize the moments to act promptly. So my dear audience, never ever let failure dawn on you. Keep capturing the right moments and keep progressing. Truly, do we live on Earth? not forever on earth, only a little while here. All that is jade, it will be broken. All that is gold, it will be crushed. All that is quetzal feather, it is torn asunder. Not forever on earth, only a little while here. So for a little while, our freedom fighters were on earth. They seized those moments and allowed them to be propelled to the high levels of a purposeful life. Stop waiting for this day, for the perfect day or the perfect moment. Take this day, this moment, and lead it to perfection. To show this attitude of our Indian fighters, the students of grade 5 are coming up with a power-packed performance. Welcome them with powerful claps.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा, लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी, लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी। संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन गए विजयी भव। रात की सुरन भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी, गगन गए विजयी भव।
एते छात्राः अद्भुतं प्रदर्शनं कृतवन्तः, येषां कृते करतालं नादयन्तु। विद्यालये आवर्षं प्रचलितानि कार्याणि लब्धमान प्रतिष्ठा पुरस्कारस्य येषां समाहिता भवति, तस्य नाम वार्षिक प्रतिवेदनं। तस्य प्रतिवेदनस्य प्रस्तुतीकरणार्थं मया अस्माकं प्राचार्यः महोदयान् अनुरुन्धे। अब मैं विद्यालय की प्राचार्य डॉक्टर जया पारिक जी तथा उप प्राचार्य जी डॉक्टर स्मिता गांधी जी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वे विद्यालय का वार्षिक प्रतिवेदन प्रस्तुत करें।
Thank you, Chetan. Namaste and a marvelous morning to our respected chairman, sir, dear parents, my dear friends, colleagues, children. The chief guest had to leave early, but I couldn't thank her enough for being with us on this momentous occasion when we complete a decade of transacting values, building lives, shaping lives of our children and ourselves growing in this process. It's definitely a defining moment, not just that it's a decade of RRIS, but doing it on a platform which we had not thought of till last year, till last February. We never knew that the day is going to come when we won't either be in our auditorium or on our huge, beautiful, expansive playground celebrating this day. But like Sir said, it's all about being prepared for the unknown, for what's uncertain, and life surely is uncertain. The last year has taught this so well, we won't be able to forget it. And yes, these lessons are to be carried forward. Resilience is the skill. And we all have worked hard to accustom ourselves, become resilient to the challenges. My special, very special hats off, special salute to children who have so well adjusted to the different scenario of learning. They have become self-learners. They charted the unknown territories. And the same did our teachers, the entire staff, and the parents. I have no words to appreciate you and thank you enough. But we have proved that together as one, this RRIS family can tackle any challenges without complaints, without regrets. We do what we can do our best. And that is being together, fighting every challenge with positivity. Like Aryan initially said, these themes are not just the themes, they become a part of our lives. Yes, we are proving what we learned in this one decade is staying with us, is in our DNA and blood now. Life is beautiful, not only when it goes as per our expectations, but life is beautiful however it goes. We don't quit. We reinvent ourselves, we rebuild ourselves. And that's what the beauty of life is all about. With this, I take this amazing opportunity to present to you the report of this extraordinary year. There's no need to go at length about how different it has been. Everybody has lived it, actually. So friends, this year, Oxford has incorporated a new word, has added a new word to their dictionary called Atmanirbharta. I'm proud as an Indian to not only be responsible, to be a part of this country which is not only responsible for giving such words, but actually living it through its philanthropic acts or through the spirit. This year, we all have lived up to what the word Atmanirbharta means. So I take pleasure, first of all, in showing how academics and learning never stopped at RRIS. Let's see how it evolved and how it became more beautiful by integrating technology and innovation and creativity. I request my colleague, Ms. Nishita, my dear friend, to kindly show it through a presentation. You can see children exploring, learning through experiments, practicals, trying new ways. Nothing dampened their spirits. Nishita, if there is some music, we are not able to hear it. If it's there, you can play it at a low volume. We all befriended technology.
Ma'am, I can hear the voice.
Nishita, if you can hear me, please pause
Yes,
before every category. Yeah.
Yes.
So friends, you saw how the academic subjects and the co-curricular activities like dancing, art and craft went on the way it usually happens in the school, though with a different flavor, a new flavor, a beautiful flavor. I appreciate all the teachers and students for doing that, for stepping up to the new challenges so amazingly and in an inspiring way. Now, the same goes for the health and fitness aspect of our schooling. Though the children couldn't physically come to school and run around, play, but that did not stop us from focusing on building our health, fitness, and agility. Showing to you how the sports classes have gone on to build up the fitness and health. And not only we limited to learning this, we also organized competitions. Nishita, can we please play? You could see yoga classes going on, exercises, the skills of various sports, students serving as trainers themselves. even trying hands at chess. Participating in sports quizzes, discussions on the important sports that everybody witnessed throughout the year. We also organized inter-school sports competition. So moving on to from academics and sports, I would like you to know that this pandemic helped us think of new ways. And what we did was used technology. I would like Nishita to show you how we had used the technology to connect with experts from various industries to actually make learning more meaningful and practical. So 28 workshops were organized with experts for our students. Whether it is about environment, it is about health, it's about communication, life skills, technology, financial literacy, and whatnot. So total of 28 workshops, and it's still going strong. A few more lined up for you. Moving ahead, let's see how our teachers were benefited in this duration. Not just the teachers of RRIS, but RRIS unlocked this opportunity of reaching out to the educators across the country by creating a platform where eminent educationists address the teachers. This platform became famous as Aadharshila Talks at RRIS, and I'm glad to tell you tomorrow is the 44th Aadharshila Talk scheduled. Every Monday at 3:30. A quick glimpse of what all we presented at this platform. Whether it's about learning outcomes, it's about time management, it's about making classes creative, how to be the best teacher possible, how to impact the mindset of children, what is holistic education, how to bring in art and sports in our pedagogy, how to contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat, how to summit your Everest, and why do we need schools? What does a school's vision represent? And how, as a team collectively, we can work together in realizing the vision, and much, much more. And much more to look ahead at Aadharshila Talks. So friends, this was about Aadharshila Talks, how educators have been benefited through this platform. I would also like you to know, like Chairman Sir said, we connected with our alumni. This event called Back to the Roots, this talk show has hosted 17 alumni from various batches where they've spoken their heart. It's always a delightful experience to meet them. The way they have grown, it really makes us proud to see them living the ideals of RRIS and living by the philosophy of RRIS. All these talk shows, Aadharshila Talks or Back to the Roots, are all available on RRIS YouTube channel. Please visit if you have not been watching. You can binge watch. So friends, actually no binge watching. You have to limit your screen time, but yes, get connected to what the school has been doing during this pandemic. So taking it forward, after Aadharshila and Back to the Roots, I would just like you to know that school also hosted a number of talks on careers called Career Talks at RRIS. Would like you also to know that during this time, teachers had to work extra hard. It was not just preparing for their lessons, but preparing for integrating their lessons with technology, or technology to be integrated in the lessons. And it required a lot of learning. And not only that, a new mindset had to be developed because it was a completely different playing field for them as well. Not even a minute was wasted. Right from the first day, we stepped up, raised to the occasion, and prepared ourselves for delivering online lessons throughout this 1 year, the teachers have been attending a number of professional development courses, workshops, conferences.
Sorry, ma'am, you're on mute. Your mic is...
Oh, thank you so much for telling this, Priyanka. Thank you so very much. I don't know when I got muted, so I don't know what you have heard and what you have not.
Just one screen before.
Okay, no problem. So friends, this is for you to know that our teachers went through the complete understanding of the new National Education Policy 2020. Every day we spent 1 hour discussing the NEP. Teachers also prepared presentations on various pedagogies and shared with each other. We have been attending workshops to understand NEP, various methods of teaching, how to integrate technology, how to adapt to the new scenario, and a lot more. And of course, for their specific subjects, what they can do to deliver their best. So thank you for this, Nishita. I'm proud of our teachers who never got tired of learning, have always been inspiring every single moment. You have inspired me, you have inspired your children, you have inspired your peers. So I can simply say this time has been a blessing in disguise. Our teachers have been Corona warriors. In fact, I would go a step forward and say they have been Corona angels for all their children. Along with this learning, there is a lot more to share, the achievements of the school, for which I would now like to invite my dear friend, the Vice Principal of the school, Dr. Smita Gandhi, to present the report further.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaste once again, everyone. And before I move ahead with the report, let me give a big round of applause to all the students. Excellent performances and excellent comparing by our dear students. So let's move ahead with the next section of annual report. So gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. Our beloved principal, ma'am, Dr. Jaya Parekh, has conducted various webinars throughout the year, spreading the knowledge and wisdom across. Here are the glimpses of the few of them. So there were many webinars conducted by Principal Ma'am on visible thinking and facing challenges together, building positive school culture, sharing happy practices of the school. Thank you. Next, success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. And that is what our teachers have been doing. So presenting the awards won by our teachers, our zealous teachers. Yeah, sorry, I missed this. There was also a webinar conducted by Ms. Sheila Pandey on workplace culture. What is it, why it matters for MIT University. And our own primary coordinator, Mr. Gregory Hendricks, presented online and offline activities and the happy practices of our school for Hidayah Islamic International School, Hyderabad. And it was very much appreciated by the staff there. Thank you and congratulations, Sheila and Greg sir, for the wonderful work. Let's look at the achievement of our teachers. So our teachers have not only been working on their own development, professional development, but they have been winning awards. They have been appreciated for their work. So Ms. Shabnam Sheikh has received the Seed of Knowledge Award by Sanjeevani World School, and Mr. Saurabh Khetan received the Harvest the Nurturer Award, Guru Varya Samman 2021. Both are IGCSE teachers. So congratulations to both of you. Well done. And the accolades won by our exemplary leader, our own principal ma'am, who has been always inspiring us, guiding us, motivating us. She has received many accolades during this time. Acharya Chanakya Shiksha with Samman, Harvest Life Nurturer Award, Most Progressive Principal Award by ECA APA, Harvest the Nurturer Award. It has been amazing year, and we are very proud to be working under her leadership. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, and heartiest congratulations to you once again. Nari Tu Narayani Samman, Exemplary Principal of the Year. It's like countless. This is something amazing. Geeta Pathak. Can we go, Nishita, to that slide? I think the slides are getting repeated. Yes, Geeta Pathak certificate. She has been awarded as the Geeta Pathak as she secured 100% marks in the recitation of shlokas of the Gita, memorizing it, remembering it, and reciting it. It's something like amazing. So congratulations, Principal Ma'am. And then comes the school. The Best School Award by ECA APER was won by Ramratna International School, Progressive School in the category. We have got the 5-star rating, and we have also won the most important award, that is Empowering Support Staff Award by ECA. This is what the Ramratna International School stands for. So big congratulations to the entire RRI's family for this achievement. For students, I would say I can be changed by what happens to me, but I refuse to be reduced by it. That's what our students have done. Our students have not allowed these difficult times to dampen their spirit. Their achievements has made us all proud, be it participating in the inter-school competitions or appearing for online exams with utmost honesty, or be it participating in annual day and sports day with full zeal and enthusiasm. Let's applaud our students for their achievements. And let's have the glimpses of their achievements. These are a few of them. Even our pre-primary students were not behind. They proved their mettle by performing in the inter-school competition for dance and winning the prizes. Green Olympiad, where one of our students scored 92% and grade 4 student 66%. We also performed excellently well in district chess competition, which was conducted online. MISA Synergy, we are very proud of our students. We won in 2 categories, overall effort in category A for grade 3 and 4, and the best scientific idea in category C for grade 8. So big round of applause for our students and also the teachers who mentored them so well. Excellent. Well done, students and teachers. A good life is a collection of happy moments. RRIS family has gathered many such happy moments to be cherished forever by celebrating each and every festival with its fervor without letting the distance dampening the celebration. Now presenting the glimpses of those happy moments. International Day of Yoga, musical Gharana, which was an amazing event. Students and parents, they both participated with full enthusiasm. Independence Day, Children's Day celebration, where our staff was amazing. World Students Day, Praying Partner celebration, which was done by students and staff both. Republic Day celebration, which you all witnessed recently. So we thank all the parents and students for participating so enthusiastically in all these celebrations and events planned by school. And thanks once again, a big round of applause for our teachers as well.
Thank you, Smita ma'am. So friends, it's time to conclude the report, but that doesn't happen unless we know what is the new theme for this academic year. Last year, we lived the theme of Carpe Diem, Seize the Moment, and that concludes today with this annual day event. The theme for next year, I would like Miss Nishita to kindly show it on the screen as I declare it. Children, another wonderful theme that we are going to explore. I hope you're equally excited as I am. Nishita, I can't see it on the screen. I don't know if others are able to see it.
Teacher, I will show the screen.
It's okay, please show it. Okay. So friends, the theme for 2021 is a verse in Sanskrit, Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati. Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati, which means you become as you think. Your thoughts shape you. आप जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा ही बन जाते हैं. Let's see, there is a lot to explore and integrate in our lives from this team. I'm very excited. All together would definitely explore it very well. So friends, when it comes to complimenting every one of you for today's event, I fall short of words. My special appreciation for the parents who tried to create an environment, the festive environment for capturing the dances of children, which is so suitable. The environment is totally in sync with what we expect for annual day. Thank you very, very, very much for the entire year, the support you have shown, and for today's event. My special appreciation for all the students and for all the compeers. Last night, for so long, they have been constantly practicing, were with the teachers, their mentors, preparing for it. And I'm so very proud of you. The way you delivered showed your real grit and determination. God bless you. And the team of teachers, mentors who have been silently, quietly, but confidently and persistently working behind this entire process. My salute to you, my deepest, sincerest gratitude to you. I'm so very proud to be working with you all. May God bless you. Congratulations to the in charge of Cultural Committee, the head for this event, Ms. Deepa. And we all have realized how important technology is. We couldn't have witnessed this beautiful program without using technology. My sincerest appreciation goes to the IT department, most special to Mr. Dilip sir for integrating this whole thing, weaving this whole thing together to give it the shape that it has got today. Thanks to Ms. Nishita for personally working with me, spending so many hours on working with the report, preparing it in this presentation form. Thanks to each and every one of you. Thank you to the School Management Committee for trusting this team, for always supporting this team and encouraging us with your motivating words, encouraging messages, and especially by the way you all show it in your work, in your thoughts, in your actions. Thanks to each one of you. I'm so proud of you. Excellent program. God bless you, my dearest children. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am. The year 2020 has been challenging for everyone, but under your guidance and your teachings like live your truth, express your love, share your enthusiasm, take actions towards your dreams, walk your talk, dance and sing to your music, embrace challenges, count your blessings, and make today worth remembering, helped us immensely to sail through these difficult times. We all had made sure that we seize the moments.
यथा दृश्य पृथ्वी चलन विविधो न ऋष्यतः एवा में प्राण मा विवेक, अर्थात मनुष्य को पृथ्वी और आकाश के भांति अपने जीवन को आनंद, हर्षोन्माद तथा पूर्ण उत्साह के साथ जीना चाहिए, जिसमें भय के लिए कोई स्थान न हो। इन्हीं भावना को प्रस्तुत करने के लिए कक्षा 6वीं के छात्र एवं छात्राएं एक अद्भुत नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं। करतल ध्वनि द्वारा उनका स्वागत कीजिए।
दिल
जाने वो क्या, खुशियों को पहचाने वो क्या, हम तो यही समझाएंगे उसे। सपने जो है सजाने थोड़े से बनो दीवाने, दिल धड़कने दो, दुनिया जो बुरा माने बन के तो मान जाने।
Wow, that was an awesome performance by our grade 6 students. Let us clap and appreciate them. Dole molto Henri Salvador. Hier n'existe pas, avant-hier non plus. Aujourd'hui, c'est délicieux. Demain est merveilleux. Nos élèves de 7e année montrent ce message par leur belle danse sous Suraj ki baahon mein. Ils vont nous inspirer à embrasser la lumière de la joie de notre vie. In the words of Henry Salvador, yesterday doesn't exist, neither does the day before. Today is wonderful, tomorrow is marvelous. Bringing this message to us through the wonderful dance performance are our talented grade 7 students on the song Suraj Ki Baahon Mein. They are going to inspire us to embrace the light of joy in our life. Please clap for grade 7.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही जो भी कल तक बस आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ, सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात, बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
That was a mesmerizing performance by grade 7 students. Give a big round of applause and encourage the students with the enthusiastic comments in the chat box. How would your life be different if you decide to give freely, love fully, and dance blissfully? Let today be the day. Free yourself from the conditioned rules that limit your happiness and dilute a beautiful life experience. Have fun, give, love, dance. With this spirit, the staff of RRIS is ready. The staff of RRIS and grade 10 students are ready to set the stage on fire with an electrifying performance. So please put your hands together for our next amazing scintillating performance by the most enthusiastic, lively staff of RRIS and grade 10 students.
Patti, 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 patti.
घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
एते कर्मचारिणः तथा च कक्षा 10वीं छात्राः मनमोहकं प्रदर्शनं कृतवन्तः। एतेषां कृते कर्तलं नादयन्तु।
Cette citation doit honorer de Balzac. La base de société humaine sera toujours la famille œuvrée. Cette valeur sera présentée par des élèves de senior KG dans son sur Together We Are Family. Accueillons-les avec des applaudissements. Let us encourage and welcome senior KG students with a round of applause who are going to dance on the song Together We Are Family.
together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we go, my family and I. We make the snowman come to life. Daddy will dress him head to toe. Mommy will find a stone for his nose. Come on, let's go. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Big brother will help find the parts. Little brother will create the art. Big sister will help make the feet. Little sister will make sure it's neat. Come with me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me. Together we are a family. My mother, brother, sisters, my father, and me.
What a marvelous performance by our little angels. Please give them a big round of applause for this enigmatic performance. Very marvelous performance. Thank you, children.
निर्मला हा मंत्रज्ञानी अर्चलीला झुंझुनी ते हुतात्मे देव झाले स्वर्गलोकी जाऊनी गा त्यांच्या आरतीचे गीत वंदे मातरम गा त्यांच्या आरतीचे गीत वंदे मातरम. चला तर हाच भावनांनी आपण राष्ट्रीय गीत गाऊन देशाप्रती आपल्या हृदयातील भाव व्यक्त करूयात. अब आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि राष्ट्रीय गीत हेतु अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाए. I would now invite Kapil sir to take over.
Namaste. Kindly stand straight, back straight, everyone. Chest up, chin up. School, attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Kindly get ready for the national song to begin.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. Shubhra-jyotsna pulakitayamini Pullakusumita drumadala shobhini Suhasini sumadhura bhashini Sukhadam varadam mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Stand at ease. Now I request everyone to take your seats.
As we all know that 2020 has been very challenging for all of us, but we as a RRS family managed to sail through it with patience, hard work and persistence. Let's see the glimpses of 2020.
कस्यापि कार्यक्रमस्य सफलतायै समेषां सहयोगः भवति। अधुना तेषां कृते कृतज्ञताज्ञापनं भवति। तस्य कृते नवमी कक्षायाः नमन श्रेयां मया अनुरुन्धे। धन्यवाद ज्ञापन हेतु मैं कक्षा 9वीं के छात्र नमन और श्रेया को आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
We danced, we enjoyed, and jumped in cheers. Displayed a talent marvelously for all your dear. We expect your incessant participation in future too. And as in advance, we just say thank you to you. A very peaceful and joyous morning to one and all present. The time passed and the efforts too. And what we witnessed is a splendid outcome of all time spent and effort. It's indeed a distinct pleasure and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this historic occasion. I, Shreya Malgunkar, on behalf of the entire fraternity of Ramada International School, would like to extend my sincerest thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Indrajit Kaur Ma'am, for sparing her valuable and precious time from a demanding schedule to be part of this organization. And encouraging, we are eternally indebted to you. With great modesty and gratifying feeling, I would like to thank our esteemed school chairman, Sir Shri Sunil Kejriwal ji, and the management committee members for the constant guidance, encouragement, and fueling our jet to explore every inch of success. I am eternally thankful to our illustrious, resourceful, and shepherd of our heart, that is Principal Ma'am, Dr. Jaya Parekh, whose unrelenting guidance, ever sporting energy, managerial attitude, trust in staff, and stroke of inspiration has cut off all hinders and given this event a noteworthy look, making it a resounding success. Thank you, ma'am, for being our beacon of motivation.
I, Naman Pandey, would like to thank the following professionals for their expertise. This exhilarating event would stand soulless without the hardworking and talented staff of our school. I profusely thank every teacher, admin staff, and service staff for always putting their right foot forward and making every event better than the previous one. You deserve every inch of this grand success. A big hug and hearty congratulations to our deft dance teacher, Mrs. Deepa, the dancing diva, for choreographing dances amazingly well and giving shape to all our dancing moves. Also, a special thanks to Miss Deepa and the core committee for roping in all efforts in aspiration to make the event an outcome of collaborative effort as the event in charges. Today, your efforts have borne luscious fruits of success. Congratulations! We are highly thankful to our efficient and dexterous IT support team for making all of this possible virtually. My heartfelt thanks and hearty congratulations to every student for showcasing the grandeur of talent through stupendous, fantabulous, and fantastic performances. You all have nailed it and escalated the show to another level. A special thanks to all the compare students and teachers who's prepared these students so wonderfully well. I with deep sense of appreciation thank our very enthusiastic lot of parents for their supporting spirit in the events and cheering us with a gracious presence and praises. Thank you all for being so wonderful and cooperative. We look forward to seeing you again for more upcoming events at Ramratna International School. With this, I wrap on with the vote of thanks. Be in the moment and cherish it for the lifetime. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Naman Bhaiya and Shreya Didi.
चलो हंसकर जिए, चलो खुलकर जिए, चलो हंसकर जिए, चलो खुलकर जिए। फिर ना आने वाली ये रात सुहानी, फिर ना आने वाला ये दिन सुहाना। कल जो बीत गया सो बीत गया, क्यों करते हो आने वाले कल की चिंता। आज और अभी जियो, दूसरा पल हो ना हो, दूसरा पल हो ना हो।
Absolutely true. The flower that smiles today, tomorrow dies. All that we wish to stay, tempts and then flies. Seize the moment, seize the moment to share with someone who is dear. Some simple gesture, word or deed, both are the winners, that is clear. The things we choose and cherish most could from our grasp be lost tonight. Just seize the moment, don't let it flee. Air a Sunny Day has taken flight. With this beautiful poem, we bring the curtains down on the splendid occasion of the 10th annual day. I hope you all must have seized and cherished the glorious moments which we spent together.
As you all must have heard about the next year theme, Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati, which means you become as you think. I would like to thank our principal ma'am for giving the amazing theme for this year. And we promise you that we would implement this beautiful thought in our lives. We will choose the right and positive thoughts at the right moment because we understand that thoughts make it a man. Thank you all for joining. Carpe diem. Seize the right moments to think positively because you become what you think.
That was fantastic.
Ma'am, I think Chairman sir is speaking something. Yeah.
Sir, you can please unmute yourself. Chairman sir, I think you were speaking, but we couldn't hear you. Your mic seems to be on mute. I think sir is facing some technical issue there. So I thank you for being there throughout the event with us. Your presence means a lot to us. Congratulations to each and every one on the success of this event. Sir, would you like to address us or say something? Or sir, if you would type in the chat box.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yes, we can hear you.
It was an excellent program and very well conducted and very well choreographed. I can understand how difficult it is in these times and with so many children, but it was still very well done. And the next year's theme is also excellent. It is going to be a difficult theme to depict on the stage, but I'm sure you all will do a good job. Thank you very much.
We'll try our best. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
And you were right in congratulating our dance teacher and everyone who has put efforts. You all deserve it. Very proud of you. Well done, right from parents to children to the staff. Thank you and congratulations. Love you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a great day. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks to the entire management committee as well.
Congratulations, congratulations everyone. Wonderful event.
Well done, students, teachers, the entire staff, admin staff, teaching staff, Didi Bhaiyas, all the children, parents. So proud of you and thank you. Congratulations. Enjoy. Have a great day.